two Armenian billionaires is after two Armenian billionaires. One is in captivity in Azerbaijan, the other in. Could you dwell more on that? What are the parallels between these two cases?
I think all of us have to ask that question. Because there are some implications to this. What was discussed between the leader of Azerbaijan and the leader of Armenia? Why are these two leading Armenians in jail? But this is speculation, but it's something I intend to explore. Because the detention of Karapetyan is inexplicable. I can't imagine that Pashinyan believes somehow this is in his interest. There must be something else. Attacking the church so closely after what happened in Nagorno-Karabakh. There are many lines that can be drawn. I'm not going to do that here, but I'm going to study it. And I ask everyone in the media to study it.
Do you see any legal pathways to releasing the hostages in Baku?
Look,
They're not allowed to have counsel. Isn't this a mockery by Azerbaijan?
I absolutely believe it's a mockery. And I believe that it is shocking that it seems to absorb so little of Mr. Pashinyan's time.
If you allow, I'll just ask in English directly. It's been more than 110 days since Samvel Karapetyan was imprisoned, and yet we haven't seen any actions from the international community, like concrete actions. And as you mentioned, your team is working on it to raise awareness. So my question is, do you think the international community is really genuinely unaware of what's happening in Armenia, or they just choose to ignore it?
Look. Look, we need to understand, Azerbaijan is Europe's flavor of the month right now. So there may be selfish reasons for Europe to deny knowledge of what's happening in Armenia. We believe we can change that. But it will take time. We will shortly be releasing a white paper which will explain to the international community the attack on the church and the attack on Karapetyan. And that white paper is 60 some odd pages. It's a very serious work. by members of our team,
մեր թիմի անդամների կողմից։
and I believe that will play a role.
Եվ ինձ թվում է դա իր դերը կխաղա։ This will be the last one. The technicalities that were quoted as an excuse last time, have they been resolved this time? And what were they in particular?
I still don't know what they were.
Տեղյակ չեմ ինչի մասին էր խոսքը։
I'm not going to say anything other than I believe, I've been told they've been resolved.
Ուրիշ բան չեմ կարող ասել, բայց ինչքան հասկացա, ինձ ասել են, որ այդ հարցը լուծված է։